Want a tip for really cool backgrounds and die cuts? We're using the linen paper, which is actually fabric. You can see little hairs here, and it is self-adhesive, so it's got a backing on the back. I'm going to take my ink refills and I'm just going to dot those all around on the paper, and I am using pumpkin pie, some fall colors, pumpkin pie and old olive. I also have cherry cobbler and crushed curry. But what happens is that it actually blends out all your colors when you apply your water to it, and it just goes sort of all over the place, almost like watercolor paper. So set that aside to dry and give it a good amount of time to dry. Here's one that I've done already that's actually quite a bit lighter, and we're going to just put on top of it some of our die cuts. Now, because it's fabric, you're going to need to run your die cuts forward and back, or even a couple times. Just make sure you get it really cut well. So then this is what you get when you're done. And it's variegated and it has cool colors on it. Now, because it has the backing, just peel that off and place it down onto your card, and you have a gorgeous card with variegated color. So I would love if you like this video and follow me on TikTok. Thanks very much.